Calculating throughput for a chip production quality control line with dual-arm robots working together offers significant benefits. It enables precise evaluation of how efficiently the system handles inspection tasks, identifies potential bottlenecks, and supports data-driven decisions for process optimization. By simulating and analyzing the performance of both robots together with operators can fine-tune their coordination, balance workloads, and minimize idle time. This leads to higher output, improved product quality, and better utilization of resources, critical factors in high-mix, high-volume electronics manufacturing environments. A few years ago, we were exploring the use and benefits of 3D. Today, smooth 4K videos and plant simulation have become standard, even on a laptop. It's impressive to see how far the digital twin of production has evolved. The true value of simulation now goes far beyond visually appealing animations. It delivers real, measurable impact.